Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Feast and my name is Anisha. Today I have some Cajun Alfredo with some leftover salmon and some asparagus. I'm so hungry, y'all. Let's get into the video. I'm starving as usual, so we'll get right into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Oh. Okay, I'm done. I'm starving. How are you guys doing today? Ooh. This Alfredo is so good. What are you guys eating with me? This is gonna be a slight ASMR because your girl's starving. Ooh, how you guys doing today? I didn't eat dinner last night. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. And it's like 1 o'clock. So I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. I needed like a few bites. So wake me up a little bit. But I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope y'all aren't going crazy during the quarantine. What are some fun stuff that you guys been doing? I think today I'm gonna walk around my neighborhood. I like barely been going outside. I mean, obviously, right? But I don't mind. I mean, it's weird. I don't mind having to stay at home because I kind of feel like I'm like a homebody. Like I like staying at home already. But at the same time, I also like to like travel a lot, and I love eating sushi. I don't know how to make it myself, so I like going out to eat sushi. Even though I do want to maybe do something fun like that, like try to make sushi, something crazy. That'll be fun. I never even made like my own pizza. My boyfriend has made homemade pizza and it's freaking delicious, but I usually don't help. I think I'm gonna help next time. Whoa, we got swirling pasta. I actually made this Alfredo sauce from scratch. The recipe is actually linked in the description box below. It's for a vegan Alfredo because y'all know I don't eat dairy and stuff, so I use like coconut milk instead of regular milk, vegan butter instead of regular butter. I realized I never put Parmesan cheese in it that much, but I think that's because I put nutritional yeast in it. And if you guys don't know what nutritional yeast is, it's like it looks like a powdered seasoning kind of. Well, it looks like flakes, to be honest, like fish food. But it's really good. It has like cheesy flavor, supposedly. I'm saying supposedly. It does have a cheesy flavor. So I don't add Parmesan, but they do have vegan Parmesan that I could add if I wanted. And then I always make my Alfredo Cajun. I don't know. I think that I actually never tried it without it being Cajun, but I feel like since it doesn't have like real butter or whatever, like, you know how it has like that flavor even though it doesn't have a flavor, kind of weird thing. I feel like if you would just do like coconut milk and like salt and pepper, it might not be excuse me, it might not be as good. I'm getting full. See, this is what happens when you don't eat for a long time and then you try to eat. You can't eat as much as you want. Pretty annoying. Who else watch Curb Your Enthusiasm? Larry David always says that. I love him. He's hilarious to me. Him and Leon. I don't know Leon's real name. Like, that's his name in the show. So, but he's freaking hilarious. That show is freaking hilarious. Put it in the comment box if you guys watch Curb Your Enthusiasm. And if you do watch Curb Your Enthusiasm, what's your favorite episode? One of my favorite episodes is the one with the dog, the one that looks like a naked dog. Hilarious. And the exterminator, I'm not going to tell y'all the whole story because it's kind of like it's not gross, but I don't know if somebody would want to hear it while they're eating, so I'll skip that. Just go watch the episode. It's hilarious. I still don't know how to do it, y'all. You gotta, somebody told you guys, dough it up and then catch it. But I already don't think I have good hand-eye coordination, so maybe that's why I'm not that good. Give me a few more weeks. I'm gonna get it. I think I'm gonna get one more bite. And I'm gonna be all finito. Happy dance, just ate. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Anyways, I'm all done here, y'all. I hope y'all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.